the Katwa students, they are not there? And why Sania is always not there? Ask Sania to join the class next day. Anulipi should also join. Those who are the good students, why they will not join? I'm not talking about those who don't come to the school and all. Okay, chalo, fine. So today we are going to write the questions of the chapter Mahatma Gandhi and the Nationalism. Okay, first question. What are the most important contributions of Mahatma Gandhi in the political and social spheres in India. 3 mark. Next. Next question. How was Mahatma Gandhi perceived? Perceived. Perceived by the peasants. 3 mark. Next. Next. How did Gandhiji's '(S) how did Gandhiji's Quit India movement transform the nature of the national movement. 3 mark. Next. Explain the ideas expressed by Gandhiji in his address address at the time of in his address at the time of opening of at the time of opening of Banaras Hindu University, Banaras Hindu University, or you can also write BHU, Banaras Hindu University in February 1916. In February 1916, 1916. Stop. Along with this, same question, continue. Do you think he put his precepts? Do you think he put his precepts into practice? Into practice. Question mark. Justify your answer. Justify your answer. 3 mark. Next. Explain, comma. Explain the last one, Bharat. Explain the ideas expressed by Gandhiji. Explain the ideas expressed by Gandhiji in his address at the time of opening of Banaras Hindu University in February 1916. In February 1916. Stop. Do you think he put his precepts, precepts, precepts into practice? Question mark. Justify your answer. Justify your answer. 3 mark. Next. Okay, Bharat. Next question. Explain how Gandhiji. Next question. Explain how Gandhiji tried to bring about communal harmony from August 1947 onwards. Stop. 8 marks. 8 marks. Next. Next. Why was Salt March notable? Next question. Why was Salt March notable? Question mark. Mention 3 reasons. Mention 3 reasons. 3 mark. Next. What was the Khilafat movement? What was the Khilafat movement? Question mark. What are the demands? What are the demands made by? What are the demands made by the supporters of Khilafat movement? The supporters of the Khilafat movement. 3 mark. Next. Explain how the coming of Mahatma Gandhi broadened, broadened, broadened the base of the Indian national movement. 8 marks. 8 marks. Next. Why was the charkha chosen as a symbol of nationalism? 3 mark. Next. Next. Why were the dialogues at the round table conference inconclusive? 3 mark. Okay, listen students, in this question you have to write the 2 round table conferences, because there is nothing mentioned about the second round table conference. You have to also write about the first round table conference, which was not attended by the Congress, right? Because the Government of India Act during that time didn't give India the dominion status. So the first round table conference happened during 1929, when the Congress boycotted the round table conference, and Jawaharlal Nehru in the Lahore Congress session demanded for Purna Swaraj, demanded for complete independence. So the first round table conference was inconclusive. That means it didn't end with a proper resolution, right? And the second one, which was attended by Gandhiji and B.R. Ambedkar, you know what happened there due to the Pune Pact, right? Because B.R. Ambedkar demanded separate electorates for the Dalit class. He demanded that for the depressed class, and Gandhiji opposed it. So they started to argue in the round table conference. So the total conference was inconclusive. So make 2 points. This is a 3-mark question. Still make 2 points and write both of the round table conferences. Okay? Now next. Next is, what was the Muslim League's resolution? Apostrophe S. What was the Muslim League's resolution of 1940? What was the Muslim League's resolution of 1940? Okay? Next. Next is, what was Hindu Mahasabha? 3 mark. What was Hindu Mahasabha? 3 mark. Next, why did the cabinet mission visit India? Why did the cabinet mission visit India? Question mark. Along with this, what were its recommendations? What were its recommendations? This is total 8 marks, but you divide it 4 plus 4. Okay, this question is having part marking. So 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Next. Last question was 8 marks, Jimanangshu. 4 plus 4. 2 questions are there now. So 4 plus 4, 8 mark. Next, evaluate the views of Gandhiji. Evaluate the views of Gandhiji against the partition of India. Against the partition of India. 3 mark. Then next. The next question starts with a quotation. Write the quotation first. Wherever Gandhiji went, rumors spread of his miraculous power. Rumors spread of his miraculous powers. Stop, quotation ends. Explain with examples. Explain with examples. 8 mark. Wherever Gandhiji went, rumors spread of his miraculous powers. This is a quotation. Stop. Explain with example. 8 mark. Done. Next, examine the impact of limitation laws passed by the British government. Passed by the British government. 3 mark. Next, why did Mahatma Gandhi think? Okay, no, this is not for this chapter. This is not for this chapter, cut it. Explain the significance of non-cooperation movement of 1920. Explain the significance of non-cooperation movement of 1920. Significance of non-cooperation movement of 1920. 8 mark. Next, explain the factors. Explain the factors responsible for the partition of India. Partition of India during 1947. Partition of India during 1947. Stop. 8 mark. Okay. Any doubts and queries?